Tesla Supercharger for Business exposes jaw-dropping ROI. Tesla has launched an online calculator for its Supercharger for Business program, giving property owners their first transparent look at what it really costs to install superchargers on site and what kind of return they can expect. The program itself launched in September 2025, allowing businesses to purchase and operate supercharger hardware on their own property while Tesla handles installation, maintenance, software, and 24/7 driver support. As Teslarati reported at launch, hosts also get their logo placed on the chargers and their location integrated into Tesla's in-car navigation, meaning drivers are actively routed there. The stalls are open to all EVs, not just Teslas. We launched Supercharger for Business in 2025 to help companies get charging right. We found simplicity and transparency to be a problem in this industry. We're now sharing pricing and a financial calculator to help make informed decisions. The new online calculator, announced by Tesla on Wednesday with the note that simplicity and transparency have been a problem in the industry, lets any business enter a U.S. address and get a real cost and revenue model. A standard 8-stall V4 supercharger site runs approximately $500,000 in hardware and $55,000 per post for installation, bringing an all-in price just shy of $1 million. Tesla charges a flat 10 cents per kilowatt-hour fee to cover software, billing, and network operations. Businesses set their own retail price and keep the margin above that fee. Tesla expands its branded for business superchargers. Taking a look at Tesla's Supercharger for Business online calculator, we can see that ROI is not uniform, and the gap between a strong location and a poor one can stretch the break-even point by several years. The biggest driver is foot traffic and how long people stay. A busy rest station, hotel, or outlet mall brings in repeat visitors who need to charge while they're already stopped, pushing utilization numbers higher and shortening payback time. Tesla Supercharger for Business ROI calculator. Local electricity rates matter just as much on the cost side. Markets like California carry some of the highest commercial electricity rates in the country, which eats into the margin between what a host pays per kilowatt-hour and what they charge drivers. At the same time, dense urban areas with high EV adoption tend to support higher retail charging prices, which can offset that cost if demand is strong enough. Weather also plays a role. Cold climates reduce battery efficiency and increase charging frequency, but they can also suppress utilization in winter months if drivers avoid stopping in exposed outdoor locations. Suburban and rural sites face a different problem. Lower baseline EV traffic, which means a site with cheaper power, and lower operating costs can still take longer to pay back, simply because the stalls sit idle more often. Tesla's calculator uses real fleet data to pre-fill utilization estimates by zip code, so businesses can run their specific address against these variables rather than relying on averages. The program has seen real adoption. Wawa, already the largest host of Tesla superchargers, with over 2,100 stalls across 223 locations, opened its first fully owned and branded site in Alachua, Florida, earlier this year. Francis Energy of Oklahoma and the city of Alpharetta, Georgia, have also deployed branded stations through the program, as Teslarati covered in January. Tesla now exceeds 80,000 supercharger stalls worldwide, and the calculator makes the economic case for accelerating that number through private investment rather than company-owned sites alone. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at Teslarati.